How do you create a group for friends, family, or colleagues in WhatsApp? In this video, I will show you how to do it easily. Stay with me until the end to get a helpful tip, and let's get started. So first, guys, open WhatsApp on your device and locate the plus icon in the Chats tab. When you have found it, simply click on it and tap on the new group from this section. Afterwards, select the members by simply tapping on them so they will be included, and click on this small arrow right there. Give your group a name and tap on this icon to confirm. By the way, you can also decide whether to enable disappearing messages, and be sure to check the group permissions to control who can edit the group info and invite new members. So now your WhatsApp group is ready, you can start chatting and even make group calls. If this video helped, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. That will motivate me to keep making more helpful videos just for you. So thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video. Bye.